Welcome to Let's Talk Development Football, where feature stars and leaders of the game connect. Whether a player, a coach, or a club owner, we are coming to you to talk all things development football. We are here in Nike Center, where La Masia was playing final of Walter Sisulu CLINIX Soccer Challenge against Mufulira United Roma. I am joined by Iniesta. Iniesta, one of the players who impressed a lot of people in this tournament. Iniesta, please introduce yourself to our viewers at home.
My name is Ethan Trim. I'm from Boksburg, Reiger Park, and I play for NB La Masia.
Iniesta played a very crucial role in La Masia's journey to winning the Walter Sisulu CLINIX 2025. Iniesta, where your journey starts when as a player, you have so many young stars who are watching up to you. Where does your journey start?
My journey started a long time ago. I've been around, I've been to Portugal, I've been to Durban, I've played for a couple of teams. All I want to say is, guys, no matter what happens, you just have to keep your head up, keep working hard, and when the time is right, things will happen for you.
When the time is right, things will happen for you. Iniesta, I have a famous question that I ask so many people in this channel. In South Africa, we have so many positives. As you say, you are coming from Portugal, you have played so many provinces in South Africa. Are we doing justice to development football in South Africa as a whole?
Honestly, my opinion is I don't really think so, not enough. Okay. Because every time we don't develop enough players, we don't promote enough players to the first team. It's just a handpick. It's not enough. It is just not enough, guys.
The players that have been promoted, according to Iniesta, we are not doing enough. We have under 17 which was playing World Cup. We have under 20 that was playing World Cup. We have Aborele and so many players. But also myself, I think there is so much talent in grassroots. Even here, Walter Sisulu, there are so many players that were playing here that deserve to be in the. Yes, exactly my point. So Iniesta, congratulations for winning the tournament and good luck for the rest of your journey.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Sharp.